You know, guys, doing ride review videos, sometimes you run into a motorcycle that unexpectedly you fall in love with a little bit. And this video is about one of those motorcycles. It is the Suzuki GSXS 1000GX. Now, before I dive too deep into this bike, I've got to send a huge shout out to Hunter, Tommy, and the rest of the gang over at Stub Cycles for allowing me to bring this bike to you. And in the description, you'll find a link to the ride-along video. That way you can see this machine in action and you can catch my reaction to it in real time. And guys, spoiler alert, I was having a ball with this thing. So let's dive into it. So what the GX is it is in essence a GSXS sport naked bike with the different accoutrements to make it a sport touring bike. It's got a little bit more upright riding position. It's got electronically adjustable suspension. It's got other technology, quick shifter, TFT, all of that, but that's really just window dressing. The real story with the GX is how it gets down the road, guys. Look, this motorcycle at 511 pounds and at 150 horsepower, to ride it is almost indistinguishable from its sport naked counterpart. And with the more upright riding position, it's a little bit taller. It's a little bit more lively to ride too. It has a pretty fun disposition and it's very flickable as well. This bike, when you roll into the throttle nice and hard, it wants to lift the front tire. It wants to accelerate. And this is one of those kind of bikes where, listen, the spec sheet did not do this bike any justice. It felt like just a bunch of lies put into word, because when I rode it, it felt exactly like riding the GSXS 1000, a bike that checks in at 465 pounds, so quite a bit lighter. But look, we don't ride spec sheets, we ride motorcycles around here, and wow, did the GX, with that playful disposition, tons of power available all the time, it just started to really shine through for me. And so as I was riding that bike through traffic, one of the things that I noticed immediately was just how easy that bike was to drop into turns. And so as I was riding it, I go through some acceleration tests. I start giggling and laughing uncontrollably because I'm having so much fun. That's really where the bike got me. It had absolutely seemingly nothing to do with the rest of the field that it represents. So what am I talking about there? Well, think of bikes like the Triumph Tiger 1200 GT Pro or the Harley-Davidson Pan America ST, both motorcycles with 1,000 plus cc's, both motorcycles making about 150 horsepower. But they weigh more than the GX by a good 30 to 40 pounds minimum. And so in the class, the horsepower is the same, but it weighs less and it carries the weight so much better. Even more so if you do watch that ride-along video and you get past me just giggling uncontrollably, go to the very end where I'm playing around with that bike in the MSF course. It just drops into corners. It drops into slow speed maneuvering so easily. That was just something that I really didn't expect. A bike that is that big, that lively, that fun. What's not to love? Fantastic throttle response at that. A quick shifter that worked beautifully. A very vivid TFT screen. Again, guys, so much going for this motorcycle, even up against the rest of the class. And speaking of the rest of the class, where you can't get into any of these other bikes for less than at least $20,000, the GX checks in with an MSRP of $18,500, and that is with the kit of luggage. See, this motorcycle, with all the performance and comfort that you get, is the absolute perfect day tripper, a 3-4 hour commute into your favorite wooded areas to go play on your B&C roads. That's what this bike is all about. Bring the passenger along for the ride and having a ball. You get to your place, get the luggage off of the thing and go rip some B&C roads, come back, load up, head home. This bike is going to do all of that, and it's going to bring a smile to your face the entire time you're riding it. So listen, if it sounds like I'm just gushing all over this bike and giving it the absolute sloppiest tongue bath, it's because I am. Unapologetically. This motorcycle was such a surprise to me in a field of other sport touring, sport utility style bikes. This really was a standout for me because it was so fun, because it was so lively. I just walked away from this motorcycle snapping my neck back around trying to figure out how I can put it in the fleet. So if you're interested in this kind of a riding experience, look no further than the GX. Get over to Stubbs, grab the keys to this bike, take it for a spin. I have a feeling you are going to fall in love with it as well. And with that, guys, I'm going to go ahead and wrap it up. I appreciate you hanging out with me, and I hope to catch you on the next one. Take care.